Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am going to start class 5 math assessment 1 chapter 4 multiple and factor LCM and properties of SCF and LCM of given numbers. Let's start. To find LCM by prime factorization method. LCM least common multiple. We write the prime factorization of each of the given number. Then the required LCM of these number is the product of all the different prime factors of the numbers using the greatest power of each common prime factor. Let's see the example. Find the LCM of 504 and 594 by prime factorization method. Solution: 504, 2 to 4, remainder 1. Now this become 10, 2 5 10, 2 2 4, 2 1 2, 2 2 4, remainder 1. Now 2 6 12, 2 6 12, 2 3 6, 3 2 6, 3 1 3, 3 7 21. 594, 2 2 4, remainder 1. Now this has become 19, 2 9 18, remainder 1. Now this has become 14, 2 7 14, 3 9 27. Now remainder 2, 3 9 27, 3 3 9, 3 3 9, 3 1 3, 3 1 3, 11 1 11. To find the LCM, multiply all prime factors of 504 and 594 using the greatest power of each common prime factor. 504 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 594, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. Now student, what we have to see? This 2 has come 3 times. See here, this 2 has come 3 times, and this 3 has come 3 times. So what we do? We write 2 3 times and we write this 3 times, and then we multiply this least one, 7 into 11. So when we multiply, we have got 16,632. This is our LCM. Now to find LCM by division method. Example: find the LCM 20, 30 and 50 by division method. So we write all the given numbers and then we divide. So when we write all the numbers, we divide by the numbers by which all the numbers are divisible. So here 2 10 20, 2 15 30, 2 25 50, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 5 25. So student, when we multiply all these numbers, 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5, we have got LCM 300. Now this 2 and 5 is common, so when we multiply, this is our SCF. 2 5 10, 10 is our SCF, and when we multiply all the numbers, 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5, then it is our LCM. So let's see the properties. First property: the HCF of given number is not greater than any of the given numbers. Example: the HCF of 15 and 25 is 15, 3 into 5, 25, 5 into 5. Here 5 is less than 15 and 5 is less than 25. It can be equal to one of the numbers but not greater. So HCF of a given number is not greater than any of the given number. It may be equal to any of the given number, but it is not greater than any of the given number. Second property: the HCF of two co-prime number is always 1. Example: HCF of 17 and 18. Factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So common factor 1, HCF 1. So HCF of two co-prime number is always 1. The LCM of given number is not less than any of the given numbers. Whenever we are taking out LCM, this is a rule that LCM is always greater than the number given. LCM of 25, 45, 65 and 91. We write 5, 5, 25, 5, 9, 45, 5, 1, 5, 5, 3, 15. Now 91 as it is 13, 5, 9, 13, 1, 13, 13, 7, 91. So we multiply all the numbers. So LCM 5 into 13 into 5 into 9 into 7. We have got 20,475 LCM. So this is greater than all the four numbers. LCM of two co-prime is always equal to their product. LCM of 6 and 11 is 6 into 11, 66. The product of two given number is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Product of two number is equal to HCF into LCM. So when we have to find out LCM and product of two number and HCF is given, then this is the formula. LCM is equal to product of two number upon HCF. When HCF is we have to find out, and product of two number and LCM is given, then this is the formula. HCF is equal to product of two number upon LCM. So when product of two number is asked and HCF and LCM is given, then we will use this formula. Product of two number is equal to HCF into LCM. Now student, let's see the example based on this formula. Example: find LCM of the numbers 204 and 255 by finding the HCF. HCF of 204 and 255 is 51. Find LCM of the number 204 and 255. LCM is equal to product of two numbers upon HCF. So see here, 255 divided by 204. 204 1, 204. So 5 minus 4 1 and 5. 2 minus 2 0. We divide this divisor by this remainder. 204, 51 4, 204. 4 minus 4 0, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2 0. Now the HCF of two so what we do, student? HCF of 204 and 255 is 51. So product of two number 204 into 255 upon 51. 51 4, 204. So it is cut. Now 255 into 4, 1020. So LCM is 1020. Now another example. The HCF of two number is 23 and their LCM is 1449. If one of the number is 161, find the other. First number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. Second number is equal to HCF into LCM upon first number. Now write 23 into 1449 upon 161. We divide and we get the required second number 207. In this way we find out first number, second number, HCF, LCM. So practice it. So LCM part completed. Thank you.